In this example, we're looking at rounding to, in this case, 2 decimal places, or, in this example, to 4 significant figures. Let's start off with rounding 1.02412 to 2 decimal places. Now 0 is my first decimal place, 2 is my second decimal place, and I need to look at my third decimal place. In this example it is 4, and that will tell me whether to round up or to stay as I am. Now as the value is 4, that tells me to stay as I am. So 1.02412 can be written as 1.02 to 2 decimal places. If this value had been 5 or greater, then I would have rounded up. But as it was less than 5, we stay as we are. Now let's have a look at 5.1891. 1 is my first decimal place, 8 is my second decimal place, and therefore my third decimal place is 9. Now 9 is greater than 5, and that's telling me, therefore, to round up. So I'll have 5.1891 rounds up to 5.19 to 2 decimal places. If we now consider 0.015612, 0 is my first decimal place, 1 is my second decimal place, and therefore 5 is my third decimal place. As it is 5, it's telling me I need to round up. So 0.015612 becomes 0.02 to 2 decimal places. So you can see when rounded to 2 decimal places, it's the third decimal place that tells us whether to stay as we are or to round up. If we were looking at rounding to, say, 4 decimal places, it would be the 5th decimal place that tells us whether to round up or stay as we are. Let's have a look now at rounding to, say, 4 significant figures. Let's consider the 124.67. Now 1 is my first significant figure, 2 is my second significant figure, 4 is my third significant figure, and the 6 is my fourth significant figure. To know whether to round up or stay as I am, I therefore need to look at my 5th significant figure. My 5th significant figure is 7, which is greater than 5. So I therefore need to round up. So to 4 significant figures, I have 124.7. The 6 has been rounded up by 1 up to 7. Let's have a look now at 0.002387563. Rounding that to 4 significant figures, I have to recall that any leading zeros, so that means any zeros occurring before any other number, are not classed as significant. So 2 is actually my first significant value. 3 is my second significant value. 8 is my third significant value. 7 is my fourth significant value. And I therefore need to look at my 5th significant value to tell me whether to round up or stay as I am. Now as my 5th significant value is 5, it means I need to round up. So I can write this as 0.00238, and the 7 goes up by 1, so we get 8. So we get 0.002388. Let's have a look at the final example, 1.00213. Now when zeros occur between numbers, they are significant. So for this example, 1 is my first significant value, 0 is my second significant value, 0 is my third significant value, and this 2 is my 4th significant value. And my 5th significant value is 1. And recall that will tell me whether to round up or stay as I am. Now as 1 is less than 5, it means just stay as I am. So my 1.00213 can be written as 1.002 to 4 significant values.